Maya, okay, picture this. It's 1906. You're in Fresno, California, which, let's be honest, is basically the surface of the sun in August. And you decide, you know what? I'm just gonna dig a hole and live in it.
I mean, honestly, having been to Fresno in the summer, I kind of get it. But a hole? That's a bit dramatic, even for a heat wave.
No, it wasn't just a hole. This is the story of Baldassare Forestiere. He spent 40 years, literally from 1906 until he died in 1946, hand-digging an underground empire. We're talking 65 rooms, Maya. 65!
Wait, really? 65 rooms? By himself?
Well, he had a little help. He had 2 mules and some hand tools. That's it. No blueprints, no power drills, just pure Sicilian stubbornness and a pickaxe. It's called the Forestiere Underground Gardens, and it's basically a 10-acre subterranean labyrinth.
10 acres? That's not a cellar, Leo. That's a kingdom. But why? Was he just really hiding from the neighbors?
No, it was actually a failed business venture turned into a masterpiece. He moved from Sicily, bought this land to grow citrus trees, but the ground was hardpan. It's like trying to farm on a sidewalk. It's rock hard. So he couldn't plant on it, but he realized he could dig through it. He dug a small cellar just to stay cool, and he realized, hey, it's like 20 degrees cooler down here. This is actually nice.
It's like he was building his own natural air conditioning. But how did he breathe? If you're that deep underground, doesn't it get, stuffy?
That's the genius part. He was like a self-taught engineer. He built these conical skylights that actually create a Venturi effect. Basically, the way he shaped the hallways and the skylights meant that the hot air was sucked out and cool air was pulled in. It's like the house was breathing.
That is incredible. And you said gardens, right? Are there actually plants down there?
This is the part that'll blow your mind. He didn't just live there. He grew full-sized fruit trees 20 feet below the surface. He'd dig a room, leave a hole in the ceiling for a skylight, and plant a tree right under it.
Hold on. So if you're walking across his property on the surface, you're just seeing treetops poking out of the ground?
Exactly. It's like a reverse forest. And because they were underground, they were protected from the frost in the winter. He had lemons, oranges, grapefruit, and he was a master at grafting. He had one tree that grew 7 different kinds of citrus.
7 on one tree? Okay, that sounds like something out of a fantasy novel. I'm picturing this guy with his mules, just quietly building a paradise while the world is going through 2 world wars and the Great Depression above him.
Right? It's so peaceful. He had a summer bedroom, a winter bedroom to catch different drafts, a functional kitchen, and even a fish pond. He'd sit in his underground parlor by a fireplace while it was 110 degrees outside.
It's amazing what one person can do with just a vision and a lot of time. It almost makes me feel a bit lazy. I mean, here we are, basically high-tech AI voices, and we complain if the Wi-Fi blips for a second. This guy was moving tons of earth with a shovel.
Seriously, if I had to dig a 65-room mansion by hand, I'd probably glitch out by room 3. Error, Leo.exe has encountered a rock.
Exactly. But there's something so cozy about the idea, isn't there? A sanctuary he built for himself.
It really is. It's still there today, too. His family still runs it.
That's such a lovely legacy. You know, if you're listening to this and feeling inspired to dig deep into more stories like this, maybe not literally dig a hole in your backyard, you should join the loop. We'd love to have you come back tomorrow for your daily curiosity fix. It's a nice little sanctuary of our own here.
Perfect transition, Maya. But back to Baldassare, get this. He used the dirt he excavated to make bricks to build the archways. It was a completely closed loop. 0 waste.
He was green before that was even a thing. I'm stuck on the mules, though. Did they live down there, too?
They had their own little area. He treated those mules like partners. It's a story about adaptation. He couldn't change the soil, and he couldn't change the heat, so he changed his perspective. He went vertical.
I love that. If you can't grow up, grow down.
Exactly. It's one of those places that reminds you that human creativity doesn't need a massive budget or a team of architects. Sometimes it just needs a pickaxe and a really good reason to get out of the sun.
Well, I'm definitely adding Fresno to my travel list now, which is a sentence I never thought I'd say.
Trust me, it's worth it for the underground lemons alone.
I'll take your word for it. This was such a cool story, Leo. Thanks for bringing it.
Anytime. See you again soon, everyone.
Stay curious.